So this is how I create invoices for my AI agency, and I'm doing everything inside of this program called Go High Level. So this is a software that you can pretty much manage your entire AI agency inside. So we have conversations tab, we can manage calendars, contacts, we have CRM, and we have payments right here. So there is an option to go to the payments, and then you can simply go to documents and contracts or invoice and estimates here and create an invoice. However, there is a much better way. You have SKI. SKI is kind of like ChatGPT or Claude integrated inside Go High Level, okay? Now, if you want to use Go High Level, I have a 30-day free trial. You can check it out down below completely for free. You can test it out for yourself. So what you can do when you have a lot of customers, or maybe you have 2 or 3 customers, what Go High Level will do is it will save them in the contacts, right? So in the contacts, if you go in contacts, you will be able to see that we have quite a bit of customers right here. So if you go to Smart Lists, yeah, as you can see right here. Now, we can send each of those customers an invoice, okay? So in this case, we can say, create an invoice for $1,000 for a product called AI automation, and send that to a customer called, and then I'll just enter my own email here and then hit enter. Okay, now here, as you can see, it will start generating. So obviously it will think, it will go through the process of generation, and from there we'll get the create and send invoice, as you can see right here. So it's looking up the contact, which is my email currently, but in this case, it could be your client, and then it's generating invoice number and creating invoice for AI automation for $1,000. And then we can send that invoice to a customer. So this is a process, okay? We will need to wait a little bit. And as you can see, it found 2 contacts with this email. Which one should I send? And then I'll just put this right here, hit submit. And as you can see, it's now creating an invoice. So let's wait a little bit and then we'll see what we came up with. Now, as you can see, once it's done, you see here, yes, create and send. So we hit create and send, and I will show you how this looks like in the email. That's why I wanted to send this to myself. Right here, as you can see, it's generating. So it's going through these steps, right? Each one by one, and then it will basically give us the finalized automation. Or in this case, the automation is basically creating the invoice. So this, by the way, you can create a lot of different like assets here, not just invoices. You can create contracts in this way. You can create AI agents in this way in Go High Level. You can create voice AI agents, chatbots. You can create funnels, automations. You have a lot of different ways of creating this. And I like this because it literally saves you so much time. If you are selling AI voice agents, you can simply go here, pull in the website, and it will give you the AI voice agent based on that website. So you feed the website, and then based on that business, it will build you an AI voice agent. I have tutorials on that, but let's wait on this again, and let's see what it can do for us. So as you can see, this is how it looks like once I get the invoice, and I can click view invoice. And obviously here, I'll just need to proceed because this is on the subdomain. So just, you need to actually go and select your subdomain for this. But as you can see, since we don't have any payment method, this is how it looks like. So we can't actually pay. But inside Go High Level, what you can do is, this is how it's going to look like once it's done. But inside Go High Level, what you can do is you need to go to payments, and then here, you need to go to integrations, and you want to integrate Stripe, PayPal, or whatever integration you want, and that's how it's going to work. So it's very simple. This is how you can make an invoice bill with AI. It's literally very, very simple. Now, if you want to have everything under one roof, this is probably the best place to do so in Go High Level, because you have contacts in here that Go High Level can pull inside the invoice. You have the integrations like Stripe, PayPal, and everything is centralized. So yeah, again, if you want to test it out, you have a link down below, 30-day free trial. And if you want to see other tutorials on Go High Level, then make sure to go and to check out my channel for more. Thank you.